In this video, Bitcoin has broken out from this falling channel which we mentioned in the previous video. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video, and let's give you first some quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis, what we have been monitoring was this falling channel dito forming with the Bitcoin price action. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, I have opened a long position dito, and ang target natin dito is going to be the 74.4k, but right now first target is going to be the 71,600, which we have met our first target exactly as predicted. So congratulations guys if you were able to trade that. But right now the question is, are we going to see 74,400 US dollars? Well, let's try to look at the chart right now kung ano ba nag-form dito. So looking at the RSI, you can see na we have started forming a potential bearish divergence dito, wherein the price is increasing while RSI is declining. But right now, as you can see, it is still too early pa. I think it would need one last push to the upside for us to confirm this bearish divergence dito. But at the same time, itong one last push could be somewhat the sign na pwedeng sabihin natin na mag-reach siya to our final target, which is 74,400. But right now, it's very crucial na Bitcoin breaks this 71,600 US dollars, kasi looking at this, it's also a crucial resistance dito kay Bitcoin going back since February. So let's try to look at this closely. Ito, as you can see, there has been a massive channel forming dito, which is this pump and dump na channel na to. As you can see, we have seen Bitcoin get rejected dito multiple times. So it could be indicating na we are seeing a very critical resistance dito right now with the Bitcoin price action. So right now, what I am monitoring is if mababreak niya to, then we will be targeting the 74,400 US dollars as our final target. But at the same time, if magkaroon tayo ng rejection na dito, nag-place ako ng stop loss just around the 69,800 to be exact. So around that area, para if ever na mag-lead siya into a fake out, then kahit papano, masecure natin yung capital natin. And at the same time, sabi ko din sa Messenger group chat as well as sa Instagram channel ko, na nag-take na din ako ng partial profit sa long position ko dito for the very short term. So if hindi pa kayo nakapag-take ng profit, I recommend that you have to take profit na right now, because if right now it's pretty decisive move na ngayon and it's 50-50 na nga. But looking at the different charts such as the stochastic RSI, you will find that in the daily time frame, we are now reaching its limit. So baka potentially mga 1 or 2 days na lang natitira bago matapos itong pump na nakikita natin with the Bitcoin price action. Looking at this in the weekly time frame, it's looking like pretty much bullish dito. So right now, pretty much careful lang tayo dito with the latest Bitcoin price action. As much as possible, we are going to take things one step at a time. We are going to follow the hourly, then 4-hour, then saka tayo mag-dive in sa daily time frame and in the weekly time frame. So right now, ang very crucial thing na kailangan nyo i-monitor is this 71,600. And that is what I am going to monitor within the next few days. And take note guys, itong latest trade na to is currently open kay Wix. So if wala pa account kay Wix, meron tayong deposit bonus kay Wix currently. If you are going to deposit $100, you are going to get 20 US dollars of bonus for your trading dito kay Wix. So make sure to use my sign up link, which you can find in the description down below. And meron din tayong ongoing campaign din kay Wix. So if you are going to trade kay Wix, you have the chance to win a flight to international flight outside of the Philippines. So make sure to take advantage of that by joining our latest campaign. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa link in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.